All right, guys. So we're about 40 minutes away from close, and Nvidia stock looks pretty dang good. Up another 1% on the day. We're over $124 per share. And earlier in the day, we hit $125 per share in the midst of a pretty flat day for the markets. I'm sure you guys saw the indexes this morning. We're actually slightly in the red, and now we're slightly in the green as the VIX is down over 2.5%. So we're going to break down Nvidia, the charts, what I'm looking to do, and where I see it going. And later, if we have time, we'll break down the indexes and maybe some other stocks I'm looking at. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, guys, and don't forget up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, and your uninvested cash for a limited time will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, come on, this is a no-brainer. Use that link down below, or again, go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So check it out. Nvidia stock is looking pretty good today yet again, as we're pretty much halfway through power hour right now. We're at $124.22, up over 1% on the day. And what stands out to me right off the bat on the intraday chart, at least, is the fact that we have an ascending triangle in the making, right? You guys see we have higher lows being made all throughout the day into the resistance being about $124.50 to $125 per share. You guys can see we hit that in the morning. We double topped at that point and multiple times thereafter throughout the day. And on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see how we actually took out the highs from yesterday with this move to over or right around $125. It looks like we hit that on the dot this morning. So with that move, we took out the highs from yesterday, which yesterday we took out the highs from the day before. And that's been a pattern here as Nvidia pretty much every day this week, guys, has been going up. And by the way, talk about a crazy green week for Nvidia. We opened up the week at $105 per share. And if all holds the way it is right now, in about 30 minutes, we're about to close at $125 per share. So we'll be up around $20 on the week, or about 17%. Which is a very big move for a stock, guys, especially the size of Nvidia in just a trading week. Talk about clear momentum building up before earnings, which, by the way, earnings are on the 28th of this month, less than 2 weeks away from today. So I'm liking the way we're closing off the day/week, guys. It looks very bullish on the 5-day, 10-day, 20-day chart, you name it. And by the way, on the 20-day chart, now with today's move to $125 per share, we've officially taken out the highs barely, just barely, but we did peak out of the highs from the end of July and early August, being about 122 to 123. So that's a good sign overall. And obviously, we notice the golden cross here. We're above the moving averages on the hourly chart. So a reversal is clearly in store here. So we're noticing another thing on the 4-hour chart, and I'm sure you guys remember if you've been watching my videos, but let me show you guys, maybe if you're a new viewer here, we can see the channel that we were in for a good, month and a half, almost 2 months. We're actually breaking out of it. You guys see this? We're breaking out of the channel, and literally since yesterday, we've been trading out of the moving averages or above the moving averages here on the 4-hour chart for the first time in about a month, right? In a couple of weeks. You guys can see, right? Last time we were above the moving averages was the middle of July. So yeah, about 4 weeks ago, a month ago. Now we're starting to push out of there. So I'm really liking this chart, especially heading into earnings. I mean, guys, this is as much as you can ask for at this point. If you're a bull, that is. I mean, I don't know if anybody out there has the balls to short Nvidia. That's a pretty bad idea if you ask me. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, heading into earnings, we're looking really good, breaking out of this channel above the moving averages on this time frame. And yes, we're arguably overbought. We are up around 35 to 40% off the lows, But it doesn't matter, man. If the markets stay green, we keep pushing towards all-time highs on the S&P and the Nasdaq, coupled with a very strong earnings report potentially coming out of Nvidia with good guidance. This could go up even higher. That's the thing. It can go up even higher, in my opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to run the likes up, man. Smash that like button. Let's try and get at least 200 likes on this video. And make sure to subscribe here on YouTube as well. And check out the mailing list, by the way. Shameless plug. If you guys want me to send you for free my top 3 stocks every single Monday morning, that's linked down below, guys. Make sure you check that out. And let's break down some other stocks here. We do have a couple more minutes in this video. That's pretty much everything I wanted to go over when it comes to Nvidia. Just another monstrous day. It might not be the biggest green day that it's ever seen, but it is another green day after we've seen multiple in a row. And this goes to show the strength in the stock, right? It just keeps on going, man. I'm liking the way it's looking. But yeah, Nvidia's breaking out, no doubt about it. We do have some other names looking pretty good here. It looks like Chewy is somehow getting back to life a little bit here. Chewy's above the moving averages on the 4-hour chart now. We're breaking out a bit here. We're up around 2% on the day, and now we're actually getting pretty close to those highs from a couple weeks ago. Looks like Chewy hit about $27.50, 28 bucks per share, which we're right at 27 now. If that's able to break here on the stock, guys, Chewy gets out of 28 bucks per share. This could really start taking off, so I'll set my alert there right now. Might as well do that. Mark is at or above 28 bucks per share. And let's see what else is moving on my watch list. Looks like Google is moving a little bit, which actually, by the way, I just bought more Google before making this video. Added more to my Google position here at $165 per share. Bought the dip as we're down about 30 bucks from all-time highs, or about 14%. Google's nicely in correction territory, guys, which means I'm picking up some shares, baby. Let's go. That's what we're doing here, guys. So Google added more to that. And shameless plug, by the way, the Patreon, if you guys want to be in tune with what I'm doing in real time in my portfolio, you get a bunch of other perks on the Patreon. Check it out. Link down below, guys. And let's see. BBY is also moving on the day. Best Buy, which is looking pretty interesting. We're testing a big spot on the chart right now. At about, it looks like here, 85 to 90 bucks per share, right at this trend line you guys see right here. We're making lower highs. We're currently at one on the charts here on BBY. So if BBY can take out, let's say, $86 per share, pretty much right where we're testing right now, there could be a big old breakout coming from there. Let me actually set my alert at $86. Mark is at or above $86. There we go. And by the way, Best Buy's earnings are they this coming week or the week after? Actually, they're the day after Nvidia's earnings. So on the 29th, which is, I believe that's a Thursday because Nvidia's earnings are on a Wednesday. But yeah, keep your eyes on Best Buy, ticker symbol BBY. And it looks like last one here, Apple is moving up yet again today. Looks like we're breaking out of this little downtrend that it was in. We're back over the moving averages now, slowly taking out the highs from early August, which is good on the charts here. So Apple looks like it's gearing up for a breakout. Well, it's already breaking out, but maybe a continuation play, maybe back up towards 230, 235. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Again, don't forget to run up the likes and get up to 20 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Just simply use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link, get your money. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.